Most people think focus is just trait that's something you either have or you don't. They're wrong. Focus isn't a talent, it's a muscle that's currently atrophying because you're feeding it dopamine spikes every 6 seconds. If you want to stop feeling scattered and start actually finishing what you start, you have to stop trying to force your brain to work and start building an environment where distraction is impossible. Here are the 5 steps to building unstoppable focus. Step 1. The environmental lock. You cannot rely on willpower. Your brain is evolved to crave novelty. If your phone is in your pocket, your brain is already 20% distracted. Before you start a session, put the phone in another room. Not face down, in another room. Clear your desk of everything except the one task you're doing. If you're writing, there should be nothing on your desk but paper or your screen. Remove the choice to be distracted. Step 2. Define the minimum viable output. Stop setting vague goals. Study for 3 hours is not a goal. It's a recipe for procrastination. You need a minimum viable output. Ask yourself, what is the one measurable thing that needs to exist when I finish this session? Instead of study, aim for complete 3 practice problems or write 500 words. When the goal is specific and small, your brain stops looking for an exit strategy. Step 3. Utilize the 5-minute barrier. The hardest part of focus is the transition from rest to action. This is where most people quit. When you feel that friction, tell yourself you're only going to work for 5 minutes. If you want to stop after 5 minutes, you can, but you never do. The goal isn't to start a 3-hour session. The goal is just to break the static. Once you're in, momentum takes over. Step 4. The brain dump protocol. When you're mid-focus and a random thought hits you, I need to email X or I need to check Y, don't suppress it and don't do it. Keep a physical notepad next to you. Write the thought down instantly. This is your brain dump. It tells your brain, I've registered this, it won't be forgotten, so your mind can safely let it go and return to the task at hand. Step 5. Embrace the tug-of-war. Expect the urge to quit. You will feel an itch to check your notifications. You will feel bored. That is not a sign you've failed. That is the sound of your brain trying to escape discomfort. That exact moment, the urge to switch tasks, is where the unstoppable part of your focus is forged. Treat the desire to quit as a physical sensation. Acknowledge it, observe it, and wait for it to pass. Don't fight it, just wait it out. Focus isn't about clearing your mind. It's about keeping your mind on one thing despite the noise. Pick one task, clear the room, set the output, and stay for 5 minutes longer than you want to. That's how you win.